Let me show you how to make the most incredible golden fried rice with just one pan and zero complicated steps. This method gives you perfectly separated grains with that classic wok flavor without any of the summer kitchen stress. Forget everything you have been told about fried rice. No pre-cooking eggs, no heating oil separately, no jiggling multiple pans. Just add your leftover rice, cracked eggs, and a bit of oil directly into the pan. 3 minutes of stirring is all it takes to transform these simple ingredients into something magical. Watch as each grain gets coated in golden egg. No clumps, no sticky patches, just perfect individual grains. The final touches, fresh scallions for brightness, pepper for depth, and just enough salt to make everything pop. What you get is textbook perfect fried rice, lightly golden, slightly chewy grains with that subtle wok aroma that usually takes years to master. The eggs distribute evenly throughout, clinging to each grain without overwhelming it. This isn't just cooking, it's liberation from complicated recipes. One pan, 3 minutes, and you've got a meal that looks and tastes like it came from your favorite takeout spot without turning your kitchen into a sauna.